Today, we're going to build a Zeta-class cargo shuttle using 15 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with 2 of these 1x2 plates with open end handles. And I'm going to put those plates together so that the handles are on opposite ends. And then I'm going to hold these 2 pieces together, attach these pieces using 2 1x2 jumper plates. So I'm going to put those jumper plates across the studs to kind of connect the pieces. But not only do they kind of hold our bar handles in place, but they also allow us to have studs in the center of our ship. Now, on that back jumper plate, we got that stud. On the back jumper plate, I'm going to grab a 1x1 extended half circle tile piece. I'm going to put it so that the flat end is near the center and the curved end is in the back. And now the reason I want that flat end in the center is because on that next jumper plate, which will be the front of our ship, I'm going to grab a 2x1 curved slope, put it onto that jumper plate stud so it goes up and over to the end of our ship. Now, this is going to be the cockpit, so I want to make it a little more even with this end here. So I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate, put it onto that 2x1 curved slope, and I've got a nice even surface. Now, this is actually the bottom of my Zeta-class cargo hauler. This is where they're going to store the Kyber Crystals, and this is going to be the top. And now all we have left to do is create those 4 wings of the ship. And to create the 4 wings, I'm going to grab 4 of these 1x1 plates with clip. And I'm going to put the clips on the ends of those open end handles with the studs facing out. So I want the studs facing out. So I've got the clips onto the end of the handle, studs facing out. And now if you look at this, they're not quite long enough. That thing had 4 long wings. And to create those long wings, I'm going to grab 4 more of these 2x1 curved slopes. I'm going to put it onto the stud facing up, and now we've got a good length for our 4 wings of our cargo hauler. And I like these curved slopes because if you look at the wings, not these like straight rectangles, they've got kind of nice little curves to the tip of the wing. So I think these curved slopes help create those like angles in the illusion. But here we have a micro cargo hauler for the Imperial Army to deliver Kyber Crystals to the Death Star, either wings up as it lands to deliver those Kyber Crystals, or spread those wings out to fly off for its next cargo.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.